Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making ice castles. Begin by using pencil to trace a large cup on your construction paper, creating a circle. Using winter colors in paint or oil pastel, make a dashed line around your circle. Continue making concentric circles in random colors. When you're done, if using paint, set your circles aside to dry. Next, using pencil, sketch a castle on your purple construction paper. When you're done, outline it in white paint or oil pastel. Using one lighter color and one darker color, add highlights and shadows to your castle. Use white to add details like windows and doors. If using paint, set your castle aside to dry. When everything is dry, cut out your castle. Tear your white construction paper so that it looks like a snowdrift. Glue it down on your background, tuck the castle underneath it, and glue that down as well. Your ice castle is finished.